Dakota on the bed. Serena asleep. It's 1:30 in the morning. Saturday, December 21st. Dakota basically follows us wherever we go with his ball.
Can't stop with that camera.
Dakota's ball. Dakota's face. Good night. Okay, got Lauren here on camera. Sunday, December 22nd, approximately 9:56 Arizona time. We got a little meatloaf here being mixed up by Lauren. When's it gonna be ready to eat, Lauren?
When Serena gets off the phone and she gets over here.
Okay, actually we got little sugar cookies. I'll wait until later to eat these sugar cookies. And we got Dakota eating his, what's he eating? Crunchy little beef bits. Where do you go? Hey, Dakota. Hey, boy. Okay, there's Dakota getting his present.
I'll take this one.
He's got a bandana and a bone. Wait, Justin, till, yeah. Sit, Dakota.
Sit. We have to go to PetSmart and get to Christmas. Sit. Christmas.
Yeah, nothing.
Sit, Dakota. Give her your paw.
No.
Let me see the Cody. What'd the baby get? Woo! A bone and a bandana. Take a picture of him.
I was trying to go with my camera. A minute.
Nobody likes it. Ooh, a little hard rock.
Got some,
I got a hard rock scrunchie.
All right.
we went a little hard rock crazy.
Yes, I only got a mug. Now I have 3 mugs. Thank you.
Johnny.
Let's see your hard rock scrunchie. Well, gee, how do you think they know that you like scrunchie?
Oh, yeah.
All right, John. Another hat.
It's
All
I
right.
feel
Very
like
nice.
like it.
Beautiful.
That's a nice hat. Yeah.
Oh, feel his, Justin. How beautiful.
Thanks,
I
Serena.
don't know what color you guys wanted, so if you guys want to trade or whatever else, I don't know.
No, that's
I
nice.
like
Let's see, Just. John, put it on. And
I
don't
like the
squish,
colors.
don't squish up those bags.
All right.
Yeah, save them?
Yes. We save them every year. Don't say keep on the thing.
Who's going to watch it?
Yeah.
Everybody.
Maybe
Close up with Justin.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
With a new hat.
Nice hat.
Let's see. Very
Oh,
nice.
Whose clothes are in that?
The coats. What did the baby get? He doesn't want me. Come here.
What'd you get?
Come here, Come here. Sit. Sit. Now let me see your bone. Who gave you the bone?
Here's Dakota with his present.
Did Auntie give you the bone?
Ratel is so happy.
He's so happy. Oh, look at you got your own bandana. Oh, Gerby. He loves bones. Look how happy he is.
Hey, boy.
What'd you get?
Did you say thank you, Dakota?
What'd you get? He hopped into bed with Anthony last night.
Not with that bandana.
Yes, he looks handsome.
There's Lauren with Dakota.
He's like, I want to eat my bone now. Leave me alone.
I have 5 pounds.
Line of pork.
It's not line, it's loin.
If you look close enough, you can see the line in there right there.
A line of pork. It's a loin of pork.
Ah, I always thought it was line for all these years. See that?
Anthony, why don't you come outside and get me on the trampoline?
Let me check out the sugar cookies here. Lauren, you made these, right?
Yes.
Is everybody? Where's Serena go? Here she is.
This is what Serena made. Says there's none left.
You know what? Put that in the same.
I still have my Anthony and Serena
How you can
Hard Rock Hotel.
Hard Rock Hotel hat.
Wow.
Oh, nice move. So awesome.
He's getting good at this.
Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. Do some cool moves here.
This is a tabletop. Do that for me again. 360. Backdrop. I messed up.
Oh, that's cool. Hat goes off. Let me see a close up with that hat.
Okay.
Oh, the fight starts. Oh, in the face. Little.
You break my nail, you're gonna give me $15. Okay, you go get them fixed. Okay, ready? Ow! Ow! Get off!
Johnny's trying for the footlock there.
Ow!
Oh, here he comes, Dakota. Hey, boy. You get him the toy? Huh? You get him the toy?
I'm not. Leave me the hell alone. Okay?
Dakota likes to be with us all the time.
Put that on video. Nice hair. Yeah.
Adjusting here on this thing.
You know how you like sit on your butt? Want to see my combo?
Go.
Alright, steps on.
Let's fight.
Let's not say it again.
It's fine.
You always get hurt. You always get hurt.
And the fight starts. Nobody's landed an effective blow just yet.
Ultimate fighting.
Oh, the battery's dying. Okay, I'm back. New battery and everything. Battery ran out, just in case you didn't hear. Serena, how you doing? The Hard Rock Cafe hat on. Oh, they're striking. Oh, he's hurt. He might be able to finish him with a chokehold. Oh, man. He's reversing it. Oh, Jonathan was close to victory. He might have ruined it. He might have blew it with a poor chokehold. You might reverse it again, Johnny. Oh, Johnny's in a choke. You might be in trouble here. Is he gonna tap again on Christmas?
No, you.
Neither man wants to submit. Oh man.
Hit the leg. I sweep the leg.
Sweep the leg?
John, watch his head.
You smell.
Line of pork.
Loin of pork,
Okay, everybody see
candied
that.
sweet potatoes,
This is it.
asparagus, applesauce.
This is the table shot before.
This is pre-Christmas '96.
And this is
Okay.
real Italian bread that we found in Arizona. Believe it or not, take a picture of it.
Good quality Italian bread.
Excellent quality.
Okay. No poor quality. And we got the Dakota with.
Does it?
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
All right, right there.
Like, these are, I mean, those in my
Dinner.
like 6
Yeah.
squares.
Oh,
I mean,
thanks.
those should be popped.
Like
Nothing
306.
I mean, castles and coasters. And you say,
December
oh, well, this is
22nd, 1996, middle of
such a
dinner.
big name.
Just let me tell you something. I'm hoping.
See, what I'm saying is, people have them in here for like $100, $200. She'll sell all of hers.